We've already seen a lot here today, and of course, one of the reasons I come to these shows is to see all the new stuff. But something that's really not all that new, something you've heard both Danny and me talk to you about, are low-flow toilets. Now, I will tell you this, we can talk and talk about this all we want, but you know the old saying, actions speak louder than words. Here in the Kohler booth, we've got a great demonstration. I want to show you this because this is very important. If your home was built, let's say before 1994, you've probably got one of these old monsters in it. This is a 3.5-gallon toilet right here. Beautiful color. Don't you remember this color? I think I had appliances this color at one point. Watch this though. Right down here, I'm going to flush this one. 3.5 gallons coming out. The big misconception when it came to low-flow toilets, that's not an easy word to say, is that they were not that effective. This is the Cimarron model, and I have to tell you this, I have this very model in my home. It is just as effective. This is a 1.28 gallon model. Look at the difference there. You can compare them right there. This is how much water you could save. You're talking about up to 22,000 gallons of water every year just by making a switch. Now, that alone may not be that impressive. I think it is, but check this out. Up to 100 million of these models, 3.5 gallons, are still in use today. Multiply that by that 22,000 gallons. That would save a lot of water.